up, guys? Spec It All here. Today I have the brand new AirPods Pro. I haven't even opened the box, and I'll just be comparing them a little bit to the AirPods first generation, which I still am using, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be swapping. So let's get right into it. So these AirPods Pro are a lot different. I haven't even actually seen any videos on them because I really do not want to see features. I want to try to figure them out on my own and have my own real first impressions. So while I open this, okay, so here they are. So these are the AirPods Pro. Like I said before, these are the first generation, and I did not upgrade to the wireless charging case. So I guess I don't need this knife anymore. I will be testing it with an iPhone 10. Yeah, so I'm trying to get this open. Okay. And I guess I'll just peel it. So here it is. Let's open it. All right, so wow, this is weird. Why is it this way? So it's like as if you just took your AirPods and just put them sideways. That's pretty much the same exact thing. So my first time opening it. Huh. These are really weird. The heck? Wait, I hear everything. That's so weird. So I hear they did put in airways, so it's not as cloggy as the AirPods, all the other ones, and the second generation. So just opening it, you open it by pulling this little pull tab, and you have these little interchangeable ear tips. I hear that Apple charges you, surprisingly from Apple, only like a couple bucks for some new ear tips. And this cord is a USB to Lightning. So if you didn't get the iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro or Pro Max, you will, or I guess the iPad, no, the iPad Pro didn't have that. But if you didn't get those two new phones, you will not be able to use this charger. So you'll have to use an old one that has Lightning to normal USB. Or you can just get a new brick. But here it is. In this little package, we have just an introductory to AirPods Pro. So no stickers. That's a pretty disappointment. That's a really big disappointment. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So going into this iPhone 10 and opening these up, usually it comes up in a matter of seconds. Just goes like that. AirPods. I will be opening these, so it is heavier. So see how quick this is. The same amount of thing. Huh. Okay. Well, oh, this phone I forgot to update a while ago. But I will be updating it. But, okay, so these should be connected. Are they? There they are. They're connected. It sounds weird. Let me go into my Bluetooth AirPods Pro. Okay, so if I pull into here, noise control. Oh. Alright, so I do not have the noise cancellation or the transparency. I just have it on normal. So just play a quick music. Obviously, you guys cannot hear this, but they sound completely normal. I don't hear everything. It's really weird. Okay, so let me go into, I don't know, Spotify. Here. Huh. Okay. This is very interesting. There's not as much as a bass. But wait. Okay, So then now there's an ad. It's not one more clear than the original AirPods. This is actually really good. I can still talk, still hear my voice. Now it's time to go. Okay. I actually like these a lot better. Now, I don't... So this does change it. You hear a little click, but it's not really click. Huh. So let me quickly do... How do I put these in? Okay, this will be a problem for me, just so people will know. They look like they fit in, but they actually only fit in one side. It's kind of a drawback. Okay, now with these, can I? Okay, so I will be sharing my audio. So I'm just doing the sharing audio. It's pretty simple. And once you have it connected, you could hear both at... Alright, now I have both at the same volume, and let's unpause it. Okay. Okay, the bass actually is more clear on the new AirPods Pro for me. But again, this is just my opinion. I do like these a lot better. So some notable changes. These are just kind of old now. They got dirty really fast and you couldn't really clean them properly. But okay, so going into the differences. These have 3 modes: transparency, normal, like the AirPods, and then noise canceling. I also have, instead of the AirPods Pro and the AirPods, I also have the Samsung Galaxy Buds. And these were released around when the AirPods 2 were released. Like I said, I did not get the AirPods 2 because I felt like it wasn't worth the money and I just wanted to wait till the AirPods Pro. But let me just give you a quick comparison. The AirPods Pro are a lot thicker. And I also noticed that not only are they thicker, but the boxes, these are the AirPods first gen and these are the AirPods Pro. The box is also a lot thicker. I don't know why, but in any event, I just wanted to point that out. I do have my Samsung Galaxy Fold, which I am using currently as my daily driver. I really like this phone, and I use the Galaxy Buds with it. I have been using them. And what I like about these probably the most is that they have these little hooks too, and they stay all the way in your ear. But the AirPods, however, these are sometimes like, my ear's very sensitive, but however, the AirPods, I love the little clicky sensation. But again, that's just me and that's just what I prefer. Again, the original AirPods are still a great product. You can still... People, though, are starting to find AirPods, or they're really easy to lose, but a lot of people have been finding them on the street. They're very easy to find because they're really easy to lose. So you may lose a pair, but you may find a pair. So, you know, that's pretty much what I have to say. I'm happy that they reduced the stem. It's a lot more cushionier. So will I be using the AirPods Pro instead of the Galaxy Buds and the original AirPods? Yes. And here's why. Even though the AirPods don't have noise cancellation, they just sit on your ear, they are a lot fatter and do not have much battery life and do not have noise cancellation. The Galaxy Buds are very inside the ear, and I do not prefer them at all. They are very itchy, and they're not, I mean, even though they're wireless charging, they're not just the ideal bud. But I will use them because they're a lot more convenient. But let me just show you an example of something that not even an iPhone can do. However, when this does it, it's very cool. So I turn on the wireless power share. Now I can close it. Oops. Where do I put it? Oh, look, now it's charging. So all I have to do, and then you should see this little red dot. That means it's charging. Same with the Galaxy Buds. And there's a little red dot. Do that one more time. Right there, that little red dot. Now if I try this, nothing. I do appreciate that. Oh, one more thing, which is a big drawback for me on these AirPods that do not happen on the Galaxy Buds. Hear this. Right out of the box. Same with these. These, nothing. It's a very firm hinge. I have one more thing. If I open these up, they do not come out with all my might, all my strength. However, if I go with these, ready? I'll just go hard once. Oh, they fell out. This is also very flimsy, but if you're tight on money, or not tight on money, but if you don't want to spend $250, you can get these for $130, almost half the price of those. So, is it worth to upgrade to the AirPods Pro? Well, it's your decision. The hinge is a lot bigger, it is a lot fatter. They do have noise cancellation, unlike the AirPods first gen. They do have normal, like just off, like the AirPods always had. They do have transparency, which the AirPods kind of had, but not really. So that's about it. Please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you can get new notifications when videos are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Peace.